Okay guys, so we're back with another video here, First Cast Fishing, and again I'm filming off my phone just because my camera's in the shop, but we didn't make an intro for this video and it turned out to be one of like our best days ever of fishing, so I felt like I needed to do this intro now and I had to explain another thing. One, it is not bass season, can't keep any fish, so if any of you see that like we don't have the release right away on the fish, it's because we put like the fish in the live well for literally like 10 minutes, no more than that, just to get a cool picture, and we show the release on camera. So don't want to like raise any alarms for that. It was just putting it in there for a picture. We literally haven't kept a bass in our whole life, I'm not even kidding. Always catch and release. But anyway, today it's a video about me, Alex, and our friend Tanner. We went out on my new boat on a local lake and actually absolutely crushed them. Didn't even get every fish catching video, but it was insane. Frogs, like stuff on top water. So I really think you guys are gonna like the video, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy.
Go, dude. Oh, it's a good one. Yeah, right. It's a good one, dude.
Oh, it's
got him. Pound on the spinnerbait. Right on the dock, dude. They're on docks.
I guess.
Just because it's slow, it doesn't mean it's good. The catch is like 10 times more pressure and it's still like
Did you just get that video?
yeah, a rock bass just pulled the rod out of my hand.
I thought it was swallowing.
A rock bass just pulled the rod out of my hand. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good
Arch. One and a half. Nice little, yeah, it's a pounder on the spinnerbait. Hey, Largy. Yes.
Good one. That's the best of the day.
Yeah, that's a good, dude, they're in the reeds.
Just focus on the reed, home lake on the boat, and we're just fishing these reeds and good fish, so we'll get back to you and get more.
Alright guys, just turn the camera off if you're crossing the lake. It's hooked into this nice 1.5 pounder on the square bill crankbait. So, nice little guy. Crush a little square bill.
Okay guys, so we just released one fish. We had these literally in the well for like 15 minutes. So these are all the like 3 of the fish, and we had the other ones. They're pretty healthy fish, but like they're all good as you see. They're just swimming off. But
Oh my god.
Blurry, I just hooked a 4. We saw another 4.
Dude, they're on this side, dude. They're over here. They're, oh my god!
You got him?
Yeah, got him. Good fish on the frog. Dude, that's a good fish. Get in the boat, baby. 3 pounder. Look how he ate that frog, dude. That's a good fish. Oh my god, did he eat the frog?
Dude, I might change to a frog.
That's a good fish. That's a big fish, dude. God, we can't be in the weeds though, Colin.
What do you want me to do?
Just go where we just were, I guess. Just go a little farther out so we're not in the weeds. Oh my god! No way!
That's a good thing.
Did you just see that, dude? Did you just see that? It just gulped it.
That's bigger than I thought.
Get in the boat, baby. Let's go, boys. Look at how that fish ate the frog. That's all I gotta say. Dude, they're munching this thing.
That's a better fish than I thought.
Alright guys, these 2 nice ones I caught on the frog. Gonna get the release, had them in the well for a little bit just for a picture, but that was so sick. Do you have a scale on the boat? Big one. Good one, dude.
You want me to net?
Nice one, frog. Well it or no?
No, we're just going for a big one.
That's not gonna happen. cast it right where I cast it. It's just, oh, it's not.
It's a largie.
You know what they picture? That's an interesting double up.
That's two little guys, baby small and like baby largemouth. Nice largie. Dude, flipping pockets is getting them, dude. They're back here.
Flipping pockets.
Release.
Into the like pocket, like where there's a big hole in the weave.
And you'll feel it, like you'll feel the fish on
Or
it.
you just look at your line, you'll see it fly out.
I'll slowly.
Yeah, but farther out.
Yeah.
Slowly reel back in.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, big! That's the biggest one.
Get in the boat. Get in the boat, please. That was the sickest thing I've ever seen on a frog. Look at, dude. That's how you know they want the frog. Oh.
That's a one.
Let's get releasing this nice little guy.
It's big. Oh no, it's not. Dude, I thought it was so big. That's a nice fish.
It's fighting. That's actually a good one. Don't flip him, you're gonna break off.
Because of Gary's stuff.
Buddy, I've already switched to you.
Gary's you not so.
Libby, come here.
Dude, I might just go to the swim lane.
Doesn't look like it. Oh my god! Huh? No way, it's big.
That's a big.
Oh, I see. Go to one. Throw me net.
Frog, dude. No, I'm flipping this sucker, dude. Watch this.
Throw me net.
That's flipping a 4-pounder. No big deal. That's how you know they want a frog. Every single fish I've caught on this frog choked it. Oh yeah, right there. Can't just leave it there, dude. Don't push it. Yeah. Fish now.
2 good fish.
2 3-pounders.
2 3s. Frogs, tank tail.
You're trying to bucket, dude. I feel like we should all this well. Fish this well, then we dip, alright? Fish this well, then we dip.
Should we come back later today?
Yeah. Fish this well, then we dip and just. It's a good fish.
That's the biggest one of that.
Another good fish.
I don't think it's the biggest one.
It's a good fish. He's a big one, dude. Flip it in there. This is the only one that has not eaten it good. That's the biggest fish of the day. It's 4-pounder. Nice one, guys. Crush the frog.
Oh my!
Flip her. Nice job, Louie.
Dude, I wasn't even paying attention.
Nice job, Louie.
Give me that.
Put her in the well.
Got him.
Real, Louie. That's a good one, dude.
It's real.
Come on, you got him. Flip her, die.
Give me that.
Let's go, bro. Flip her, die, bro.
Give me that. 2 casts in a row.
That's 3 bass. We need one more. One more. Honestly.
It makes the videos better.
Dude, I don't mind the bass. If I get tired, I can just sit down in this chair.
That might be a fish right there. And I know a little bit about that.
Carver be having. Is that smallmouth?
No way!
Small on a frog, dude.
That is a first.
Smally on a frog?
That's a first.
He was right in the rocks right where he should be.
I mean, it's obviously not a big smallmouth, but it's still sick to catch on a frog.